Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So we're back at the storage space, and we've got the new harness. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna dig in. We're gonna try to replace the harness, and then we're gonna make it so that we get it all back together. And I want to make sure that it starts again, and then we'll kind of attack one system at a time. So, and then there's some wiring going over to the stator and stuff. I don't know what's up with that. That's why I told you that, guys. That wiring was kind of weird. So I'd like to at least get it running, and then we can work ourselves backwards from there. So stay tuned, and you'll see us trying to put this thing in, and maybe we'll get to a few other things. We'll see you. All right, everybody. So we got our light. We got our new harness here. I ordered some more of this vinyl tubing. I ordered some. This looks like 3/4 inch or whatever it is. I ordered 4 sizes. I ordered like the 3/4, half, 3/8, and quarter, so that we can redo some of the stuff up front. And I also did order a new key switch and a seat latch. So I'm not exactly sure where that goes here. We're gonna figure it out, but let's just start with the original harness, and let's see, what else do I got here? That's a headlight plug. Okay, here's some of the starter stuff. Battery cables, wire strippers. I also bought a new bullet crimping set, basically like these. It's got the sleeves and everything, and I got it off of Amazon. I'll leave links for that too. But yeah, so we can, if we need to make something up here, we can make it up. Like I said, this business here, I want to put some, I want to pull it, put a bullet on here temporarily. You can see all the stuff we got going on here. I don't really know. We're just gonna start one thing at a time, right? So let's get to it. All right. Oh, that was a diesel. Nice. It's pretty nice outside today. It's like, what is it, like 40 something?
Something like that.
Yeah, it's nice.
How's the squirt?
Oh, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Squirted my thirst. That sounded bad. This is why I ordered all this new sleeving and stuff, because this stuff it's all crunchy. It's not great. Yeah, that plug is the key switch. That's what this plug is. So the one that I ordered actually was the square pin key switch and all that. So like the one of the things that we got going on is that we only have one key, and we only have, which is fine, but we don't have the latch that goes for the seat. So I ordered a new ignition and a latch set. It was like 20 something bucks. And they said, oh, it's got to have the square connector. I realize now that that's what this is that this plug comes over here. I think that's kind of how we're gonna do it there.
Yeah, let me get a little close up.
Why don't you come on in here and take a look? I mean, I'm like 75% done. I got it ran where it needs to be, and the wires are coming out the front. I just want to focus a little bit more on the back here. We can put the main wiring back in. We're not very far from being able to try to start it back up, which is pretty good. Hey guys, look at this. This is I think this is the brake switch. Look, it's even, you can see it's like soldered there or something. We were trying to figure out what this is, and the wiring, it was just taped up, and then it comes back over here, and it comes down. Let's see, over here. That's the brake switch. When he's pushing on the brakes, it comes up to this piece right here, and it comes out. And it was just kind of hacked here, and then hacked together. So what we'll do is we'll fix this. We'll put bullets on it, you know, and then we'll just make it so that it runs over. So, yikes.
Yeah.
So what do you think so far?
I think it's going.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We've been able to figure... watch your gas tank! We've been able to figure most of it out, huh?
Yeah. I just don't know what the hell that is. I'm not an electrician, but I don't look good.
You got the right man for the job?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, we got that right.
Yep. We're halfway through. I think those wires that we just found, we got a little GoPro clip here. I think those are the brake wires.
Yeah.
So I think they got to go up back by there. But what we're going to use is this. I got this hand crimping tool along with all the different bullets and stuff, and it even has the little vinyl protectors that go over them. So we'll fix that, and then we'll keep going. It's a pretty good day so far, huh? Getting some stuff back together, figuring some stuff out.
Yeah. The wind could be gone, but
you don't like the cold.
no.
All right, let's keep working. It's just 2 black wires in there. Oh, son of a bitch.
Well, luckily that wasn't all the way open.
Yeah. What the? Oh, they're just as mixed up as they were before. That's good. So in this harness, so coming from over here, this bundle, yeesh, this is what I said. This is really bad. The wires seem okay, but you guys hear this? Oh,
Yikes.
yeah, that doesn't sound good. See, these are the left side controls. See, this is what I'm talking about. I think I'm gonna take this side off, and maybe I'll take this home, and we'll fix this. I mean, because this is not good. Look at all this stuff's just cracking off. That's why I bought new stuff here, because this is really bad.
Wow.
Oh. Oh. Dang. Yeah, it's not supposed to be Kentucky Fried Chicken.
I think we know what we're having tonight.
Exactly. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, when I pulled these off, they must have all broke.
Oh.
That's nice. So we're definitely going to be replacing the ends on these. Wow. Maybe that's what we should focus on. Why don't we pull off the controls, and then I can take them home and we can work on the wiring, and I can put new ends on them and stuff. Because at the moment we need to connect up the old stuff back to the new stuff, and I really have nothing to plug in since all the ends of the bullets are snapped off. They must have come off in the other ends of the plugs on the harness. I mean, they were just that crap. So let's pull these controls off, and we'll take those with us. Oh, you know what I did get you? I got you a whole thing of parts, and I got you brand new OEM grips, right?
Yeah.
I was telling you I got you a new ignition and a seat latch.
Yeah.
The gauge faces came in from the Netherlands, so I got new glass. Even though this glass is pretty decent, actually, like the glass looks perfect. But you know, at some point, one project at a time. I think, you know, maybe I'll work on the controls. We'll get those doing good, and once we get back here, then we can worry about the gauges. Maybe I can figure out, you know, because I think you'd probably like new LEDs inside of these when we do this. We put some LED bulbs in, right?
I want to have LEDs everywhere on this thing. We got to make this somewhat modern, because if you guys don't know, we're going to add LED lights, because if you remember, if you've been following us from like the beginning of even the Navi, we got a whole LED 7-inch light.
Yep.
So it's practically that, but with LEDs. So
let's we'll pull this off. We'll call this an episode, and next week we'll come back and I'll have pulled these off and, you know, rewired them. But like I said, by that time we'll have more of the sleeving. I'll be able to replace it in a few areas, and we'll go from there. So
cool.
All right, guys. We'll see you later. Easy. Hey, we were saving these grips.
Not anymore. They're obsolete.
They're obsolete.
Not sponsored by Buck.